every day I see my chicken stare at me. I think it's time I rode around so they.
Good afternoon, viewers. As usual, you're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen, and as you see, I upload a lot of videos. I start with Chinese, Thai, Italian, Mongolian, Mexican. Now I'm going to introduce some Indian cuisine in my YouTube channel. And today, for a special dish, Chicken Tikka Masala, I'm going to make in Balghari Kitchen. Please keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen and share it to friends and family. Thank you. So let me take you to Balghari kitchen where I have prepared all of the ingredients for chicken tikka masala. Let me show you. So here first of all you need chicken breast which I cut already in cubes, some yogurt, chopped onion, potato, some water, oil, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, food color, fresh squeezed lemon juice, garam masala, turmeric powder, some fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, fresh cream, pink rock salt, ginger garlic paste, some chopped green chili. So please keep watching Balghari Kitchen for chicken tikka masala recipe. So viewers, let's start our chicken tikka masala. First I'm going to take bowl. I'm going to add my chicken and then I'm going to add coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, this lemon juice fresh, and yogurt. It all together, mix nicely until the chicken coated everything. So let's make skewer, which already marinate the chicken already. So I'm going to make some skewers. You can put 2, 3 or 4. Keep in the same way. Prepare some nice skewers. I'm going to skewer some 4 chicken. You can add also 5 as well. Viewers, our chicken tikka skewers ready. I'm going to keep it in fridge for 30 to 40 minutes. Let's put in fridge. So it will be marinated nicely. Here you go, it's going in fridge. Keep for 30 to 40 minutes. We'll see you after 40 minutes. So viewers, now it's almost 40 minutes. Let me take it out. And I'm going here. If you have oven, you can cook it in the oven, but I don't have, so I'm going to use it in my pan. Just spread some oil, make it hot, and then I'm going to fry my skewers. You can see cook nicely. Skewers. Cook it 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is done. Now I'm going to blend my tomato, which is already here. Tomato puree. So now one by one turn the skewers, so you can see same like chicken tikka color. Be careful with the hand. While our chicken is cooked, I'm going to start our sauce. Let's take another pan, add some oil, then add onion, chop onion, saute until it's golden brown. You can see nice color coming on. It will take more 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Now our onion is getting turned into brown. This time add some ginger garlic paste. Mix nicely. Now it's time to add the masala, chili powder, garam masala, Tumeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt. Mix it. Now add the tomato and cook another 5 to 7 minutes until it's well cooked. And look at our chicken tikka. Viewers almost done. Close the flame. So viewers, our sauce is ready. Now I need to add my chicken, which I prepared. You can see I'm going to add now. Now I add already our chicken tikka. So cook nicely. I add some little food color, that's why it's more reddish, that color. This time I'm going to add chili, green chili, for giving touch of more fresh spices. Now I'm going to add some cream, so it will reduce your spice level a little bit at least. Mix nicely. While it's ready, we are going to cook one paratha. So I'm going to serve this one with paratha. So I have prepared already one paratha. Look at our paratha. I'm going to serve with the chicken tikka masala. It's good. You can serve with the naan bread as well. So viewers, our chicken tikka masala is almost ready. I'm going to serve this one with paratha. So I'm going to turn off the flame. It's almost ready. So viewers, our chicken tikka masala is ready. I'm going to turn into bowl to serve. Oh my god of gravy. Now going to add some coriander leaves, mint as a garnish here. And I'm going to serve this one with paratha. Very nice chicken tikka masala ready. Can't stop tasting this one. So let me taste with the paratha. Look at the beautiful paratha. It's homemade. So let me try some chicken tikka. Mmm, absolutely nice. Amazing spice. Try one more. I'm going to finish basically. Mmm, it's really tasty and super delicious. I can't stop this one. Look at this chicken tikka masala. You can try at home. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Please do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And I'm waiting for your lovely comments in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a great day.